Hi there, Sandile here. Carl is on top of the hill and Karin's on top of the hill. Tell you what, my compost bins, they never cease to surprise me. Everything I throw here, not everything, some of the stuff that I throw in here, they end up germinating and producing either trees or plants that will produce fruit. Without wasting time, there's an avocado plant here. I'll show it to you now. There's two of them. There's one here on the compost pit, and there's one on the other side of the house where I think probably the monkeys ate that avocado and they threw the seed there and then it germinated. But we need to get this one out and put it on a container, and we'll transplant it on a bigger container later before it dies, because the way it is sitting here, it might die anytime soon and we don't want that. Okay, let me show you this. Right, this is my compost pit. As you can see, I throw everything here. It's a very open compost pit. We don't close it, so it doesn't have any, it doesn't heat up. Basically, I just let everything decompose on its own pace without me interfering, So let me show you where this avocado plant is. Here is this avocado plant. This is not the tomato. Here's the avocado plant. Yeah, let me see if I can show you. If you look there, you can see here is the seed. Here is the seed of the avocado plant. So we need to take this avocado plant out and put it on a container so that we can save it. And let's quickly get on with that. I need to use my tiny little gardening tool here to try and remove as much of this as possible so that I don't break the roots, so that I can get to the most important root system. Because if we kill the root system, there is no point. The whole plant will die itself. So I need to go as deep as I can, because avo plants, they tend to have quite long roots. Okay, let me see if I pull like that. Yeah, there we go. I think we got everything here. Right now we quickly need to go put it on a container and save it before it dies. Let me get the container. Right, this is the guy we will use for this avo plant. What I often do is to take the soil or dirt where the plant was, scoop it in first before I before I fill it with an external other type of soil. So for this avo, we will scoop here this, and we will put the plant like that, and we will go and fill it up. All right, now let's fill it up. With some good water storing material so that it doesn't thirst out and die. Hopefully it will recover from the state it is in, and become beautiful, you know, and stronger, and then we can transplant it because we have a big yard here. I don't mind even if I can have like 20 avocado trees. That's fine with me because that's more fruits for me and my family, and I might even end up selling some of it. So right now I'll add soil in here or sand. Right, I need bigger concrete. Right, then we go like that. Yeah, I think that should be fine. What I need now is a stick that I can put in here just to support these guys, and then I need to water. Okay, now let's go get the other one. I told you there were two of them. Right, let's go get the other one. Let's go get the other one from the strawberry garden. Alright, here's the other one. I don't know if you can already see it, but there it is, tiny little one. Okay, this is the strawberry garden here, not an avocado garden. So let's remove the emulsion grass and expose the seed, you know, and then in that way we can see what we're dealing with. Yeah, here we go. Here's the seed. Now I need to go as deep as I can, you know, in getting the seed out, because otherwise if I break the roots then there is no point. This tiny little plant will not survive. It will not live to see another day. Most probably I should have watered here just to get the soil to loosen up a little bit. There we go. I'm trying to go as deep as possible. Okay. I see I've disturbed some of the roots. But hey, what can I do? I'm trying my best. Yeah, I can feel there's a root that's quite deep under. Most probably I need to get a bigger spade. Yeah, need to get a bigger spade. Right now, big boys like this one. And there we go. And there we go. And there we go. Oh God. Here's this root, the longest root. I think I nipped it. I think I nipped it. But hey, what else could I have done? It is quite too long for me not to nip it. You know, so it's okay. I hope that will be fine. That's my hope. Hope it will be fine. You know, I really hope it will be fine. Let's go and put some water storing material so that it doesn't dry out, because I don't water that much often. Okay, let's go. So we have about 2 avocado trees that we did not actually plant, you know, but we have them anyway, and we appreciate them even though we did not plant them. So yeah, it is good. It is good. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Okay. Hopefully it will stay as beautiful as it is and grow to be a bigger plant that will eventually fit me and my family, you know, and yeah, that would be highly appreciated by me and my family, you know. All right, guys, here we go. That's me, Sandile here. Our gardens on top of the hill and lives on top of the hill. I have 2 avocado plants. They do quite look very distinctively different. I think this one, it's the variants that I have there, a smaller variant. I think this one might be a foreign one that I might have gotten from either the supermarket or from some of the family members. It looks like it's gonna be the bigger variant, the one that grows big. So I don't know, but we'll find out in a few years time. But here we go. I have 2 avocado plants that I can add here in this yard somewhere in a corner along the fence line, or even down there on the hill, you know, and reap the benefits of growing them up by getting fruit. I hope that you learned something in terms of the fact that if you throw the seeds on your compost pile, especially compost piles that are like mine, opened up, that are just sitting there, you know, not covered up, not heated up, there is a potential of you germinating these seeds, or otherwise you can germinate them the way I do. I made a video of that. I'll be doing an update soon so that you can see, and then you get avocado trees, you know. Otherwise, Sandile here, guy who lives on top of the hill. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, share the video, comment, and yes, I am out. Oh.